Hi, welcome to my channel KS Mat Tamil. Today we have see about medical coding. Medical coding is your career. Yes, this video for you, and this video makes you curiosity to learn about medical coding and lot of more things about medical coding. And medical coding exam is a lot, and I explain in detail in this video. Now we learn medical coding. Before that, we want to learn why we necessity to do a medical coding. Yes, see, in hospitals, billing payment has a two methods. One is direct method and indirect method. In India, following is a direct method. What is direct method? There is no smart card. Smart card means like not like a ATM card, smart payment, Paytm, like that. Not. It's a insurance card. In India, there is no following of insurance card to pay a bill, and we pay bill as a money. In indirect method, USA, Philippines and other such countries providing a smart card. Smart card in that country, smart card means is not a ATM card like a payment card. It's a smart card means insurance policy providing a smart card to pay a bill in their hospitals. So in their hospitals, patient records are transfer the files to that company. Such companies, those companies are give the records to the clients to convert a patient records into a medical codes, and the clients are convert the patient records to medical codes, and the medical codes are converted to files are transferred to that company. The company those files are transferred to the specific hospitals. In the specific hospitals, those converted medical codes files are transferring the files to the billing sections. In the billing sections, medical billers provided a equivalent salary to doctors and to equipment maintaining the handler technicians by a smart card. But necessity to do a medical coding? Yes, medical coding is to ensure a accurate payment for a physicians. Physicians means here indicates one who maintains a patient record to creating a valid record of a patient or patient care history. Yeah, medical coders are intermediaries for to doctor and physicians. Physicians to maintaining a patient records. In between them, doctors and physicians, medical coders are intermediaries to give their medical report to they are converting their medical reports into medical codes. Let's see what is medical coding. Here, one who a medical coder which converting the hospital maintenance of a patient record, which are converted into alphanumeric codes. Here, alphanumeric codes are A to Z and 0 to 9. The combinations of 0 to Z and 0 to 9 words are called as alphanumeric codes. And here, the hospital maintenance of a patient records are which contains healthcare diagnosis. Healthcare diagnosis means like a headache, fever, stomachache, like that healthcare diagnosis, and procedures what the doctors are provided to the patients, means like that surgery, like the procedures are done by the doctors. And medical services here is nothing but the medical medicines, what kind of medicines were provided by the doctors. And equipment here is nothing but a data with here where the patients were scanned by the equipment like CT, MRI, ultrasound, like that equipments are scanned by the patients, and which are those medical patient records are converted into universal alphanumeric codes, those called as medical codes. I'm giving you a small example for an medical codes. Here, if a patient is suffering from an headache, the doctor diagnoses and give the treatment to the patients for a headache. The practice problem for if a patient is an headache indicates to give a medical code as R51. Yes, in this video you learn what is medical coding and little bit knowledge on medical coding. And by the following videos you will learn what is medical coding and what are the exams for the medical coding exams, and how you selected on the interview by the following medical coding interview questions, and what are the exams like CPC exams and COC, CIC exams are, how to prepare for that exams will be provided by following videos, and be supportive to that channel, and keep follow by the following videos. Thank you. If you had some doubts, if you want to clarify that doubts by the below, please comment it. And if you need more details on about medical coding, just follow on Insta ID KS Med Tamil channel, and do follow up this channel and be supportive for this channel. Thank you.